This is what residents along East End Avenue say they came home to. Piles of wood over 2 blocks. They say Duquesne Light warned them they would be trimming these trees, but suddenly they were gone.
I just feel really upset about it. It just emotionally, it's been difficult, especially because we had our big storm in the spring that brought down trees. And so it's just reminding me of how devastating that was.
Emily Ventura shared the email from Duquesne Light warning they would be trimming trees. And she and her neighbors say when they found this, they were not only upset, but confused. So I reached out to Duquesne Light. In a statement, they tell me, initially residents were informed that the trees in question would be pruned. However, after further evaluation by our experts and with the borough's approval, it was determined that full removal of the trees was necessary for public safety and to protect DLC equipment. Adding, we acknowledge the missed opportunity to update residents about the change and will review our process to better keep our customers informed. For neighbor Lynn Feinberg, that is not enough.
I want to stop further destruction without real understanding of what's going on. I don't believe this is necessary. I don't believe it.
Feinberg tells me she is considering a petition so that neighbors can be part of the conversation. A representative from Duquesne Light tells me they are working with the borough since these trees are on borough property, and they say they plan to cut down more trees soon. Covering Allegheny County in Wilkinsburg, Marcy Cipriani, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.